Hello, everybody. Remember, we are reading A Life on a Cruise Ship. That's Unit 5.3. You can find it in your Pearson book. I only want you to practice the sight words. So let's go and practice together. Where, worked, again, no, together, come, one, once, from, to, best, big, over, baby, different, work, meet, enjoy, build, the. I also want you to practice these words that are from the reading. Okay? I got them from the reading. These are silent E. And remember, when it's a silent E, the other is a long sound. Life, cruise, large, come, some, time, place, barbecue, charge, live. Two vowels together. Fruit, thousand, crew, Spain, eat, sail, two, food. Okay, and these words are different. Listen. Hotel, Italy, all, might, water, buys, passenger. Okay, now it's time for you to go into your Pearson book and practice Life on a Cruise Ship. You can find that on page 99. Go and practice every day a little. Very good. You did a great job. It's time to go. See you in class.